Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have a new box for the channel. It's the AIA, or the American Influencers Beauty Bundle, and it costs $38 a month. I do believe with taxes it comes to about $42. But this is my box, and I'm super excited just because of the simple fact that I have not had a subscription box this heavy, I think, ever. So that makes me super happy. It does give you all of the sneak peeks of everything that's going to be in the box on their website. But this month's subscription is for Keys, which is Alicia Keys' skincare line. So we got a moisturizer for it and BoxyCharm. Okay, so opening up the box, you get a card on top. It's called Keys Soul Care. And you have a list of products with the prices on the back here. And it looks like we're getting 6 items inside. And this is the box, and it's absolutely filled packed with products, which makes me so happy. There's no loose room in there for nothing for it to move around and shipping. Just more goodies for me to open. So let's go ahead and get started on what's in here. This is actually a pretty big package here, and this is Keys Soul Care Golden Cleanser. This has honey and turmeric in it. This is a delicate soothing face cleanser that gently purifies your skin with your spirit and antioxidant rich hydrating honey and calming turmeric. This is valued at $22, which honestly I think is a great deal for how big this looks. But let's go ahead and open it and see what the inside packaging looks like because I'm curious. Okay, very nice packaging. It isn't filled all the way to the top, but it's pretty full, and this is really big. Honestly, this will last you for quite some time. I'm really excited. Before we get any farther, I wanted to let everyone know that I will be trying this stuff out for my reviews, but I will be taking a couple weeks to use all these products since I have everything for the skincare line now with the moisturizer included, and trying it out and taking photos and seeing if it makes a difference and kind of sharing it with you all in a couple weeks. This is the cleanser. Nice. It's like hard plastic. It's not glass. Okay, next item in here is a comforting balm. Okay, let's see a little bit more about this product here. It's a soothing skin balm for face, body, formulated with camellia seeds, rose of Jericho, avocado oil, and shea butter. So let's see another item here. And I read online you could even put this on your cuticles. You could put this anywhere that you have places of concerns. So yeah, these boxes are just going to get ripped open. And I'm okay with that because I'm keeping all of these. I surround myself with things that are good for me. Okay, I'm wondering if this has a little message on it too. Okay, so each one of these packages, I've just noticed this. They have like little messages on the side, and they're in different languages also. I'm not sure the other language, but it says, I'm devoted to this moment for the facial cleanser. And for this balm, it says, I surround myself with things that are good for me. So I like these little positive messages, but this is valued at $12, which is very reasonable. And since it's a balm for anything, I'm just going to go ahead and try it out on my cuticles because they do get really dry, and I definitely need the extra love there. It doesn't really smell like much of anything. I would compare it almost to, I don't know, like a soft vanilla bean scent. It smells good. Here is that. And next up, we have, ooh, a mist. I love mist. This is a reviving Aurora mist with rose of Jericho, witch hazel. So that's cool. I wonder what the message is on this one. But this one is said to value my mistake. They have the card set up kind of funky on here, and a lot of the packaging looks the same, so I was confused. The facial cleanser is actually $20. And this mist is actually $22. So all of it's pretty affordable. It would cost you a pretty penny to buy the entire thing like it is in here versus just paying the $38. And this one says, I am free as the air. And I don't actually think I put a mist on today. So I'm just going to... Oh, that smells nice. It does. It smells really nice. I like this. And this is valued at $22. Let's see what else we got in here. We got a few more items left in here. I have a Promise Serum. Let's see what the little card says about this Promise Serum once I get this open here. I'm just super excited for all this stuff. I can't wait to try it all out. I don't think I own an entire skincare line like this. So, all the sizes are just so generous. This is actually a really big size serum bottle. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera or not. Maybe I'm going to get another serum bottle. Okay, so I'm just got another serum bottle just to compare like sizes for you, just so you can get an idea of how big and how big this really is. This is a normal size serum bottle, and this is a serum bottle that you get with this Keys Soul Care skincare. Just amazing how much of a difference that is to me anyways. So this serum is actually valued at $25. Wow, looks like all this stuff is less than $30. So that's nice. I could also go out and repurchase as I get lower if I wanted to. I probably won't, just because I have so much other stuff right now. But if it's this amazing skincare and I absolutely love it, I most likely will go out and repurchase it. But this is a lightweight brightening facial serum with zinc and snow mushroom that helps control oil levels for a balanced, healthy looking complexion. Okay. And then next up we have, an exfoliator. I'm interested in this because it says it's a powder exfoliator. What do they mean by that? I'm wondering. So, okay, wow. Another really decent sized packaging, and it definitely is an actual powder in here. It has a little tab that you pull to open it, or push. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm going to wait to open this. And this says, I am layered, complex, and divine. Exfoliate your skin with this restorative water activated exfoliating powder with the complexion formula of lactic acid, mung beans, and oats. So there is this one. And we have one more product in here. This is a lot for my money. I'm really happy about this. It's a Radiant Eye Cream. It has sunflower seed oil in it. And now the only thing missing, I feel like, is the moisturizer, which I got in BoxyCharm. So I will be able to try this out. And this says, I have awakened my full potential. So each one of her products has like nice little uplifting messages on the side, which I also really care for. But this eye cream is valued at $28. So this is the most expensive thing in here. And honestly, this is a really generous size eye cream also. It looks to be very thick, which I like in my eye creams, especially right before bed. But this is an amazing box. I can't wait to see what they have in store for me next month. But that's everything that I had for this in particular video today. I'm getting ready to upload my Aurora beauty box, which is sadly my last one that I'm going to be having, at least for a while anyways. We're taking a little Aurora break. Thank you so much for watching.